Today, we'll be diving into an exciting development, a transformative moment in Ghana's industrial journey. This is set to redefine the nation's automotive landscape. The Abotokan Spare Parts Dealers Association is hoping to establish a manufacturing plant in the country. They are a cornerstone of Ghana's burgeoning car manufacturing sector, and they are spearheading an ambitious initiative to produce vehicle oil filters right here in Ghana, as well as other vehicle parts to be manufactured locally. This bold step marks a pivotal shift from reliance on imported parts to a future where Ghana can emerge as a powerhouse in the West African auto manufacturing scene. Buckle up as we'll be exploring this mind-blowing initiative being spearheaded by the Abotokan Spare Parts Dealers Association here in Ghana. It is a one-of-a-kind project, and I'll be sharing all the information with you in this very video, so be sure to stick with us right until the very end. This project being embarked on has the potential to reshape the whole landscape of Ghana, from being just an importer to manufacturing our own parts. Ghana's automotive industry has been growing at an extraordinary pace, fueled by innovation, determination, and a vision to compete on a global stage. At the heart of this very transformation is the Abotokan Spare Parts Dealers Association, a dynamic group of industry leaders committed to rewrite the narrative of Ghana's auto sector, pioneering the local manufacturing of vehicle oil filters, a critical component for every car on the road. This isn't just about the production of the parts, as it's about the building of the legacy of self-reliance and economic empowerment. By moving from importing essential components to crafting them locally, Ghana is being poised to reduce its dependence on foreign markets. This will in turn stabilize its currency and create a ripple effect of opportunities across the nation. The leadership of the association has already taken a decisive step to make this dream a reality. They've initiated the project with discussions from forward-thinking investors who share their passion for industrial growth. These partnerships are not just about the financial aspects, they are also committed to building a robust ecosystem where innovations rise. The Ghanaian expertise has taken center stage. It's long overdue, as Abotokan is the hub of auto parts in Ghana, so manufacturing them isn't a far cry from what they've already been doing. The goal is clear: to establish Ghana as a hub for automotive parts manufacturing, not just for its own market, but also for the entire West African sub-region. This project's commencement is a bold declaration, signaling that Ghana is ready to lead rather than follow in the global automotive industry. The shift to the local oil filter production is possible due to decades of expertise. The technical milestone is an economic revolution in the making. By manufacturing these critical components domestically, Ghana stands to unlock a wealth of opportunities that will transform communities and strengthen the nation's economy. First and foremost, the initiative promises to create thousands of jobs, from skilled engineers and technicians to factory workers and the supply chain professionals. These jobs will empower Ghanaians, providing stable incomes and fostering a sense of pride in contributing to a homegrown industry. Every oil filter produced locally will be a testament to the skill and dedication of the Ghanaian workforce, and this will ripple into the manufacturing of other parts as well. Beyond the job creation aspect is the local production, which has the potential to stabilize the Ghanaian cedi, which has been doing rather well of late. By reducing the need for foreign oil filters, Ghana can conserve its foreign exchange reserves, strengthen its currency, and build a more resilient economy. It is an investment powerhouse in the future, where Ghana's control of its own economic destiny is paramount. The ripple effect will also be felt across several industries as local manufacturing boosts demands for raw materials, logistics, and ancillary services, creating a vibrant economic ecosystem. Moreover, this move positions Ghana as a competitive player in the global market, attracting international partners eager to invest in the nation. To achieve this vision, the Abotokan Spare Parts Dealers Association are advocating for a comprehensive approach that goes beyond simply producing the oil filters. Their strategy involves creating a complete value chain for the spare parts industry, one that integrates every stage from raw material sourcing to final assembly. This requires strong public and private partnerships where the government, private sectors, and the local communities work hand in hand to build a sustainable industry. By fostering the collaboration, Ghana can develop the infrastructure, skills, and innovation needed to make the local manufacturing a success. What makes this project even exciting is that in the Ghanaian car manufacturing industry, only Kantanka Automobile is homegrown, and with this assembly plant, it will go further to address the grassroots, that is the unemployed majority in the country, the minimal earners, as more of those hands can be found in the Abotokan enclave. The association's leadership have emphasized the importance of moving beyond trade to actual production. For far too long, Ghana has been a consumer of imported auto parts, but now is the time to shift gears. With the right investments in technology and training, Ghana has the capacity to become a manufacturing hub that serves not only its own needs, but also those of neighbors as well. The vision is already taking shape as the association has successfully connected with suppliers of shafts and cranks, securing high-quality products at more affordable prices. These partnerships are making the industry more competitive and accessible, ensuring that the Ghanaian consumers benefit from cost saving while supporting the local businesses. The Ghanaian automotive industry's ambitions extend beyond its borders. The Abuso Spare Parts Dealers Association is not just content with the transformation of the local industry. They aim to position the country as an automotive manufacturing capital of the West African sub-region. By producing oil filters and other critical components, Ghana can supply the region, reducing West Africa's collective reliance on expensive imports from distant markets. The vision was powerfully articulated at the recent West African Automotive Show in Nigeria, where Ghana's representatives showcased the nation's potential to lead the automotive industry. The event was a platform to forge connections, share ideas, and inspire a new era of regional collaboration. To further cement Ghana's leadership, the association is pushing for the country to host the annual West African Auto Show in the near future. Hosting this prestigious event would not only spotlight Ghana's advancements, but also attract global attention to its growing capabilities. Announcing this manufacturing plant in Nigeria is a show of strength, as this declaration on the international market shows that the Ghanaian automotive manufacturing industry is surely going to succeed in their production of the oil filters as well as other parts. The event was a chance to show the world that Ghana is open for business, ready to innovate, and is eager to lead. By taking on this role, Ghana can inspire other West African nations to invest in their own manufacturing sectors, creating regional networks of excellence that benefits all. No discussion of Ghana's automotive industry would be complete without acknowledging the trailblazer already making wave, that is, the Kantanka Automobile. This homegrown company has become a beacon of innovation, proving that Ghanaian manufacturers can compete with global giants. However, for companies like Kantanka to reach their full potential, they need robust government support. The Kumasi Chamber of Commerce has been vocal about the need to prioritize the local manufacturers, advocating for policies that provide access to funding, tax incentives, and technical resources. With the right backing, companies like the Kantanka Automobile can scale up production, create more jobs, and contribute significantly to Ghana's GDP. This call for support also extends to this project and to the broader industry, which includes initiatives like the local oil filter production and others. By investing in homegrown talent and businesses, Ghana can build a sustainable industrial base that rivals those of other established economies. This is more than an industrial milestone. It's a declaration of Ghana's ambition to lead West Africa and beyond. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting journey as I'll be bringing it all to you on this channel. The Abuso Spare Parts Dealers oil filter plant is going to revolutionize Ghana's automotive manufacturing industry. Drop your thoughts in the comment section what you think about this project and how it will transform Ghana. Hit the like button on this video as it goes a long way to inform others as well, and subscribe to this channel as we bring you exciting content always. Check out this next video on other impressive projects happening right here in Ghana that will marvel you. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.